little minions, this is the coolest thing ever. Have you ever wanted to mount your soundbar underneath your TV like I'm doing right here? This right here is the Roku soundbar. This is just one of those generic Philips TVs. And this bracket system that you purchase allows you to mount your soundbar in such a way that it goes underneath your TV, so then you can mount your TV on some kind of bracket, whether it's an articulating arm or a stationary bracket that we're just going to be putting right on the wall to simulate a picture frame. Oh, it's gonna be so cool. And we're getting rid of this monstrosity right here. Prior to this, it was mounted up on that stand, and we don't wanna do that. All it does is gather dust and little kids' bowls full of water for some reason. And instead, we're gonna mount the soundbar underneath the TV, and we're going to be routing the cables up, tucking them up. Eventually, we will put the bracket on the back, but I am just here to let you guys know the variety that you get when you purchase one of these bracket kits that allows you to mount this soundbar. Check it out. So for the Roku soundbar, I personally used which is this little bolt right here, and then I coupled that with a spacer. And that allows me to effectively screw it into the back of the Roku soundbar. The Roku soundbar, if I recall correctly, does not actually come with some bolts for mounting. Or if it did, they've long been thrown away. And then I actually used some existing screws, although honestly, there are so many different varieties of screws here. You could use probably any of these guys right here to actually mount this thing on the back of your TV. And also it does come with some additional arms as well. Let's say that your TV is bigger than mine. You can mount this on there along with this little wing nut, and it screws onto there. So this thing can extend quite a bit. As a matter of fact, there's another extension thing right there, right next to my scary doll. Isn't that amazing? So yes, ladies and gentlemen, if you guys are looking for a variety of hardware and equipment that will allow you to mount your soundbar underneath your TV, this is the kit for you. Hopefully this helps you with some heartache. If in fact you have a Roku soundbar, I hope that this is helpful in determining whether or not this mounting kit is right for you. My name is Beau. Catch you later.